hello there. Thanks for coming back to another video with your favorite auntie. This is a continuation of yesterday's video. Hopefully you guys have watched that one, and if you haven't, go back and watch that video and then come back and watch this video. So we are just finishing up granddaughter's dresser. I'm not sure where I left off in yesterday's video as far as the clips. So I'm not sure what all you guys know up to this point. So just keep watching.
Us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure. I know and I don't know it. So I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin?
So this is the second coat of paint. When this dries, I will sand it down and apply a final coat. And this is why I say it's very important to sand in between coats. It just ensures a much smoother finish in the event that some particles fell off the brush, just the raisedness of the paint itself. So it's very important to just take your time and sand in between your coats and wait for the coats to completely dry. Once it's all completely dry, I will go back and touch up, clean up the sides of the drawers where I have paint at. So while those are dry, I'm going to make use of my time today and go ahead and start painting this table, which I'm so excited about for some reason. This table has so much potential for a small space, medium to small space, or just a person who just don't like bulky, big furniture. As you know, I don't have a clue as to what the apartment that my mom will get looks like, but I do know that they're all one bedrooms, one bedroom, one bath, living room, her bedroom, and then like the kitchen area, and then a small area, hopefully for like a dining room table or a dinette or whatever you call it. So because this table is small, I chose this and I like it. However, later on in this video, or maybe tomorrow's video, you will see another option that we might end up going with. But I absolutely love this table, and I can't wait for you to see what a simple can of paint and a little bit of elbow grease can do to a piece like this.
Drowned out the rain, it'll make sense after the pain will color.
So this table is a parquet table, just like a parquet floor. And what's happening here is the edges are coming up in some places. So rather than go through the extra work and take off the entire parquet top, all of it is not in need of repair. I'm just going to remove the parts that are loose, give it a good sand so I can get a good flat surface. And then I'm going to come back in with some Bondo and do the repairs. But first, let's take a quick field trip. I'm going to let the cameras roll. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. We got to go. We got to go. We got to go. The dramatics. Okay, let me explain. The reason I was so excited was because for months, I think I'm the animal whisperer, I have been trying to communicate with the mama deer. So every time the mama deer would come up, I would make these clicking sounds like, and I felt like she was beginning to trust me. So Ron came and got me because she was actually up by my windows in the office before I made a mad dash to go see her. But her being that close just says to me, she trusts me. And normally I'm outside on the patio, so I would see her myself. And it's odd that today I was not. It's almost like she was looking for me. Anyway, let's get back to damn work. Chad, you is not nobody's nature whisperer lady. Get somewhere and flip this furniture. Anyway, so you're going to see me using some Bondo to repair the area, create another smooth surface, make sure that any of the other loose edges that could potentially come up won't, because they'll be sealed down with a good old Bondo. That's all I'm doing here.
You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? That I'm just being me. Sometimes we're just colliding, and we keep on fighting. But we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you weak. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here, don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh baby, please. I don't question your love, I know it's there. And even if we don't agree, I know you care. 'Cause baby, you and me, we...
Okay, y'all, so everything, we're in prime day. This is prime day at the moment, right? So we're waiting for this to dry. It has a second coat of primer, 2 coats of primer already. It's at the end of its drying. That is literally completely primed, sand, and painted. It actually needs another light sand and then another final coat of the actual paint. Then that is done. Oh, and it also needs to be sealed. And I don't have any polyacrylic, so I'm gonna have to run to the store to get some polyacrylic to seal that after I apply the second coat. But I'm trying to wait for everything to just dry together so that when I go through with the sander, I can hit everything that needs a sanding in one sitting, and then be done with the sanding for the day so that I don't have to worry about the dust, right, while I'm still painting. So I'm trying to keep everything at the same flow, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna paint these 2 pieces black. And again, I'm just waiting for them to dry so I can do a complete sand over everything and then move on to just the painting phase. But black, white was cream. I made the color. Fly, get off of me. Dag blasted. But I'm working with limited time because it's early morning right now. But as the day move on, this driveway is going to be engulfed with the sun. The more the sun moves around, it's going to be covering this driveway until late evening, and then it'll be back shaded like this. So I have a limited time in the mornings and then the evenings to finish. Otherwise, it's blazing hot on a sunny day. Okay, now I said that to say that's just where we are. That's where we are. I actually ended up applying 3 coats total to the piece. This table right here ended up getting sanded one more time on the top and then painted actually a 4th time on the table. Not sure if I filmed that or not, but just a heads up. So let me show you something really quick. Okay, so look, this is so cute. All of this free. Look at this, y'all. This is so cute. This is so her. This is a little table, and it has 2 little glasses. I'll show you those that go here. If this table is too big, so I'm thinking this table, clean these 2 nasty chairs up. Good gracious alive. Oh, okay. Clean those up. Put them with this. But definitely take this to black for sure. And keep this just in case that's too big. And then she'll have this as a backup, which is so cute, or somewhere. I love this. These 4 bar stools, free. This little nightstand, which I'm thinking would be cute to go with granddaughter stuff that I'm finishing up right now. And then these, I'm thinking I'm gonna give, I know somebody who need these. I think I'm gonna clean these up, paint them, and give these to someone in need. I think granddaughter for this. Clean these up. They're gonna go with this table here. Clean this up. We are literally at the end of the day. Let me show you. We have done, waiting to dry. Done, waiting to dry. Waiting for paint to dry. Need to add a sealer and then put the knobs back on when it dries, and then clean up like the drawers and stuff. I don't know if I showed you this or not, but I spray painted all of the hardware, counting these 2 that go on the table actually. But all of these will go back on the white, and then the 2 gold ones will go here. This is perfect scale-wise for the other table that was very similar to it in black. I may do like a screenshot of all her things so far. But I will say this stuff smells like old people house from the 50s. Literally, I'm not even kidding. I'm trying to let the air out. I'm gonna soap it down, clean it up real good, hopefully get some of the smell out of it before I even move it into the garage to just sit and air out. And then hopefully the primer and the sanding and, you know, all that'll take out the rest. But yeah, we're almost done with my mama's spot in terms of furniture, I feel like, because her spot is not gonna be that big. It's gonna be a 1-bedroom situation, and living room, kitchen, you know, like a bachelorette crib. But look at the size of this compared to this. So, and the reason I'm saying, even though this is small, space matters. Inches matter. I know that's a huge difference. It's literally half the size. But my other mom has a table about this size in her space, and it's just the perfect amount of space for her. So this is probably gonna end up being the table, though, I feel like. And I may do different chairs than those and just put those 2 chairs with this thing. I'm feeling like I can't wait to see this black. But look at the in fact, you know what? While we wait, do I have any primer? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be hard to paint that. Well, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Okay, maybe not today though. All right, anyway, got ahead of myself. Let's wait for this to dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like completed. We're gonna go ahead and get this stuff done, and I'm gonna bring this video to an end. I think, yeah.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called a cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Honestly, I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good, no, he's great. Everything she wanted packed behind the pretty face. But I kinda hope he breaks her heart into little pieces and let me pick them all back up and put them back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if